Welcome to this short video explaining how to set up the user rights within RMS. First, click on Tools, Setup. Then on the left part of the screen, click on User Rights. Here, during the first login, you will see that there is only an admin user right created. We will now create an example which is view only. Simply click on New, name the user right, view only, for example, and you can take the templates that already exist, or you can create your own templates, or you can set up your own user rights. In this case, we will set up an empty user right and work from there. We'll click on OK. And here, as this user right is view only, we will simply select all of the different points that the user has access to using view only. We will select everything that the user can view. We simply then click on Save, and the new user right, view only, is created. Thank you for watching.